You're thinking about grabbing up this Scotch tape machine for moving boxes. This is the review you definitely want to watch. Now, Scotch Tape did send me this so that I could do a review so you can get a good understanding of what you're going to get if you do decide to grab this up. So we're going to talk about the good, the bad, and the ugly, okay? We're not going to be sugarcoating anything. All right, right off the bat, we got the nice rubber handle. So it is super sturdy. It's not going to go anywhere. It allows for you to, if you have to do it like a whatcha, you can like cut the boxes and cut the tape exactly how you need it to. I really love that this is super heavy duty right here. This is where your tape goes. It has a nice lever here to where you loop the tape through here. It sits flush here, and then this is the teeth in order to cut it. If you don't have this all the way down, it will not cut your tape. I thought I broke it when the first time I got it because I didn't have this completely engaged and the tape wasn't cutting right. So I'm like, why did I buy this if it doesn't do what I wanted it to do? It's simply because this wasn't engaged all the way. So if this is not depressed all the way, it is not going to cut. I'm just gonna let you know, guys. Don't freak out and think that you broke it, because I did. But honestly, it has a really nice design. It's super sturdy. It's made from that metal, which I absolutely love. All of the details on these, all the screws, are super heavy duty. I've had this for a very long time, guys, and it has held the test of time. Mine's a little dirty, but it is definitely held the test of time. Now, it is plastic here at the bottom, which I don't necessarily like. I wish it was like a, metal all the way around, but hey, it is what it is. But that's the only negative. The handle is plastic, but other than that, this little black grippy part will definitely keep it from, cracking or breaking or anything like that. Now, I will say, if this part is out in the elements, this black portion will probably crack and break off over time, but you have years of that before that actually happens. So changing the actual tape is pretty easy. You just take it off and you put it back on. The only other thing that's kind of a little difficult to do is this lever right here. I hate that I have to pull it down. I wish there was like an easier way to do it, but unfortunately it's not. You just kind of have to pull it down with your hand, fish the tape through, and hope that it doesn't bunch up at the end. But if it does, you just kind of lift it up, use this, and take it off. But other than that, guys, I think this is absolutely amazing. So if you're in the market for grabbing one of these, I think you'll definitely be happy with your purchase.